Welcome to Exciting Earnings, your go-to guide for building a successful YouTube presence. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a YouTube channel from scratch, covering every essential step. Whether you're a beginner or looking to revamp your existing channel, this tutorial will provide you with a comprehensive guide to getting started on YouTube. Creating a successful YouTube channel requires careful planning, creativity, and consistency. With millions of active users and thousands of hours of content uploaded every day, standing out on YouTube can be challenging. However, with the right strategy and techniques, you can build a loyal audience and achieve your goals on the platform. Step 1. Create a YouTube account. Creating a YouTube account is the first step to building your YouTube presence. If you don't have a Google account, create one at the Google account creation page. If you already have a Google account, proceed to the YouTube sign-in page and log in. When creating your account, make sure to use a valid email address, as you'll need it to verify your account. Choose a strong password and ensure you have recovery options set up, such as a recovery email or phone number. Take your time to carefully review YouTube's terms of service and community guidelines. By creating an account, you agree to abide by these rules and policies. YouTube's terms of service cover essential topics such as user accounts and passwords, content ownership and licensing, copyright and intellectual property, prohibited content and activities, and more. Step 2. Choose your channel. Choosing the right channel name is crucial for your YouTube presence. Pick something memorable, relevant to your content, and easy to spell. Avoid numbers, special characters, and trademarked names. Consider your brand identity and target audience. Brainstorm a list of potential names and check their availability using YouTube's channel name checker tool. Make sure to verify that the name isn't already taken on other social media platforms. Take your time and don't rush this step. Your channel name will represent your brand and be a crucial part of your online identity. Tips for choosing a great channel name include making it memorable and easy to spell, keeping it short and concise, avoiding numbers and special characters, and ensuring it's available on other social media platforms. Step 3. Set up your channel art. Your channel art is the first thing viewers will see when they visit your channel. It's essential to make a great first impression. Set up your channel art, including your profile picture, banner, and background image. Use high-quality images, consistent branding, and optimize for different devices. Ensure your profile picture is at least 128 by 128 pixels, and your banner is 2560 by 1440 pixels. Your channel art should reflect your brand's personality and style. Use this opportunity to showcase your creativity and make a great first impression. Step 4. Customize your channel. Customizing your channel is essential to making it visually appealing and easy to navigate. Add sections, descriptions, and keywords. Use relevant keywords to improve discoverability. Add a compelling channel description, including information about your content, target audience, and contact details. Customize your channel to make it visually appealing and easy to navigate. Use this opportunity to showcase your brand's personality and style. Tips for customizing your channel include adding relevant keywords to improve discoverability, creating a compelling channel description that showcases your brand's personality, using sections and descriptions to organize your content and make it easy to navigate, and customizing your channel's appearance to reflect your brand's style and personality. Step 5. Upload your first video. Uploading your first video is an exciting step in building your YouTube presence. Follow YouTube's guidelines for video formatting and optimization. Use attention-grabbing titles, descriptions, and tags. Ensure your video meets YouTube's content policies and guidelines. Optimize your video for better visibility and engagement. Use keywords, tags, and descriptions to help your video rank higher in search results. Step 6. Meet YouTube's monetization requirements and policies. To monetize your YouTube channel, you need to meet YouTube's monetization requirements and policies. Enable ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's community guidelines, terms of service, and monetization policies. Understand YouTube's monetization requirements, including the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour thresholds. Ensure you comply with all policies and guidelines to avoid account penalties or termination. Now that you've completed these steps, you have a fully set up YouTube channel. Remember to consistently upload high-quality content, engage with your audience through comments and social media, optimize your channel for growth using analytics and performance metrics, and stay up to date with YouTube's algorithm changes and best practices. Here are the additional tips on the do's and don'ts of getting successful on YouTube. Presented in a "To achieve success on YouTube," it's essential to be consistent in uploading high-quality content to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency is key to building a loyal community of viewers who will support you throughout your YouTube journey. By regularly uploading high-quality content, you'll not only keep your audience engaged, but you'll also increase your visibility on the platform, attract new viewers, and ultimately grow your channel. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, answering questions, and interacting with your viewers on social media to build a loyal community. Engagement is a two-way street, and by interacting with your audience, you'll not only build a loyal community, but you'll also gain valuable insights into what your viewers want to see more of, what they like, and what they dislike. This will help you refine your content strategy, create content that resonates with your audience, and ultimately grow your channel. Optimize your videos for SEO by using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your video's visibility and search results. SEO is crucial to getting your videos seen by a wider audience, and by using relevant keywords, you'll increase your chances of ranking higher in search results. However, it's essential to use keywords strategically and not to overdo it, as this can lead to keyword stuffing, which can negatively impact your video's visibility. Analyze your performance using YouTube analytics to track your views, engagement, and earnings, and adjust your strategy accordingly. YouTube Analytics provides valuable insights into your channel's performance, and by analyzing your metrics, you'll gain a deeper understanding of what's working and what's not. This will help you refine your content strategy, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to grow your channel. On the other hand, there are several things you should avoid doing on YouTube. Buying views or subscribers can lead to account penalties or termination, and it's not a sustainable way to grow your channel. Not only is buying views or subscribers against YouTube's terms of service, but it's also a waste of money as it won't provide you with a loyal audience or increase your engagement. Spamming or self-promoting excessively can be annoying to your audience and may lead to a decrease in engagement. While self-promotion is essential to growing your channel, excessive self-promotion can be off-putting and may lead to a decrease in engagement. Instead, focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience, and use self-promotion strategically to promote your content and grow your channel. Copying or plagiarizing content from other creators is not only unethical, but can also lead to copyright infringement claims. Always create original content or give proper credit to the original creators. Not only is copying or plagiarizing content against YouTube's terms of service, but it's also unfair to the original creators who have invested time, effort, and resources into creating their content. Violating YouTube's policies can result in account penalties or termination, so make sure to familiarize yourself with the community guidelines, terms of service, and monetization policies. YouTube has strict policies in place to ensure a safe and respectful community, and violating these policies can result in severe consequences, including account penalties or termination. Neglecting your channel's appearance can make it look unprofessional and uninviting, so customize your channel art, description, and sections to make it visually appealing and easy to navigate. Your channel's appearance is the first thing viewers will see. Thanks for watching Exciting Earnings. Subscribe for more YouTube tutorials and tips to be successful in your financial journey. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with others who may benefit from building a successful YouTube presence. We'll see you in the next video.